In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to publish Google AI Studio app to the App Store. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to aistudio.google.com, and then from here you'll need to log into your account. Now from here it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to go over to the left hand side and go over to the apps, and from here you'll be able to see an overview of all your existing apps. Once from here, you'll need to choose the specific app that you want to publish over to App Store and just click on it like so. Once from here, it should look something like this where you can see the preview, and over here you'll need to go over to Show Code Editor. Now from here, you'll need to go over to where it says Share, and once from here, you'll need to scroll over until you see integrations over here. Now from here you'll be able to see the app URL. Now from here you'll simply need to copy that, and from here you'll need to open up a new tab called App My Web. I'll also put a link to that down in the description below. Then from here it should look something like this. From here you'll need to click Create New Map over here, and from here you'll need to add the app name. So let's just call it Test1. From here you'll need to add the link to your website, and that is your app URL that you found inside of Google AI Studio. Once from here you can choose a theme color, a title color. You can also choose the layout template if you want to do that. But from here you'll simply need to click continue. Once from here it should bring something like this where you can see you can test the app over here, or you can scan this QR code down here to test it inside of your smartphone device. Once from here you'll need to go down to the service tab down here and then down to app download. Once from here you'll be able to create a new Android APK or iOS APA app file. Once from here you'll simply need to click Create App, and from here you'll need to click either one of these selected plans to start. You'll also need to go down to the key manager down here and then create iOS and add a list name, the issuer ID, and the key ID that you can get by going inside of the App Store Connect and create an account inside of the developer accounts. Once from here you'll simply need to click Save Key, and from here, within a couple days, your Google AI Studio app will be published over to App Store. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!